Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we will learn about the React routing. So React routing means inside our application there is a navigation bar, and when we click a particular navigation item, then it should display the particular component. So inside that we are seeing that inside this here I have created these three menu items here: home, about, and contact. So when I click this home navigation, it means the URL will be the slash, and inside our configuration file, I have configured that if the URL will be the slash, it means that we need to load our home component. And when I click this about menu icon, then it should generate a URL about, and inside our configuration file, we are checking that if the path like a URL is about, it means that we need to load our about component. And if I click this contact my navigation, then it generates a contact URL, and inside our configuration we have put that if the URL is a contact, it means that we need to load this contact component. So like inside this React, so why we want to implement this React routing, then first we think what we need to do. So first thing we need to do that we need to import this React router DOM. So this is the npm, and using this npm we can implement the React routing inside our React application. So when we install this React router DOM, then like there are some things we need to import from this React router DOM, and these basic things we need to do. Like first we need to import BrowserRouter, and second we need to import route, and third is switch. So these three things we need to import from this React router DOM. And BrowserRouter is the base for the configuration, and router means it's a we on which a particular URL which component we want to load, and switch means that we need to wrap our whole routes inside our switch case. So like if there are any URL changes, so if we are putting this routes inside the switch, means the particular only one component should be loaded. If we are not putting our routes inside this switch, so it means that it will load every component. Like if I remove this switch from here, so this application will display home component, about component, contact component, and 404 component. So every component will be loaded once on a single page. So we need to route each component inside the switch so that only required component will be loaded. So like first we need to import this React router DOM, and then we can import these three things from this React router DOM, and then we can and second thing we need to like if we are putting any of the component, like here I am putting header component out of this switch. It's mean this header component will be visible to all components. Like when I click this home icon, so header component will be there. If I click on this about icon, about navigation, then header component will be there, and content from this content will be displayed from this about content. And when I click this contact navigation, then header component will be there, and content will be displayed according to this contact component. So this is the basic about the React routing. So now start with the practical example. Okay. So I have created this. I have created a application inside this. So inside this, I have created three components here. First is like a home component, contact component, and about component. So inside this about component, I just create this is our about component. So I just create this about content, and there is like I will put the heading, and just we can create this lorem ipsum text. So I just create this header tag, and this some dummy text from the lorem ipsum. And same thing I am doing for the home tag. So I just create a h1 tag here, and putting some lorem ipsum tag from this is a dummy text. So same thing we are doing for the home component and same thing for the contact. So I have created these three components and I just create some dummy content here. And inside our React application, I have used Bootstrap. So I have already installed Bootstrap npm. So you need to install this Bootstrap npm, and then you can import the Bootstrap CSS here, as well as you can import this default app.css, and then you need to import all the components that you want to be routes. So I have created this header component as well. So inside this header component, this snippet I have called this is the Bootstrap code. So you can copy this code from this Bootstrap navigation, and you can just then you click copy and paste here, and you need to change here. First you need to import navlink from this React Router DOM, and instead of writing anchor tag, you need to put navlink. And second thing, instead of writing href, you need to put you need to put 2 here instead of href. If you are put that href tag, so it means that it will refresh your page. So that's why React is a single page application, and we don't want to refresh our application. So that's why we are using 2 here and navigation instead of anchor tag. So these things you need to put your in your navigation HTML. And inside your React configuration, so first thing you need to import these things: browser router, routes, and switch. And inside the browser router, I am like a browser router. It's like a Vim. So that's I'm using this browser router as router. So instead of writing browser router here, so I'm writing router here. And inside the router, we are using switch case. So switch case, while we are using switch, and inside the switch we need to wrap our whole component values. So we need to check like a routes. If the routes are slash, it means that we are loading the home component. If the route is about, then we are loading about component. And inside the header component, I have already checked that if I click this home icon, so the URL will be the slash. And if the URL will be the slash, then the home component will be loaded. And I have import this whole home component from this component. Whenever you can create a folder component, everything, pages, if you want to, you can create your component, and then you can import your component here, and you can check if this. And second thing, when I click this about menu item, then it will like a URL will be about, and I'm checking here that if the URL is about, so we are need to render this about component. And second and third thing that third menu item is contact. So when I click this contact menu item, so it will URL will be the contact, and if the URL will be the contact, so I am using the contact component here. And fourth URL is asterisk here. So if user press the wrong URL, so like a URL doesn't exist in our application, so it will display the 404 component. So I have already created a 404 component here, and I just write here like page not found. So you can insert our image or everything you want to be rendered inside this component. So you can write accordingly, and then you can like the URL it doesn't exist, so you can put the asterisk symbol and this import this 404 component, and then you can use this 404 component. So this application, and now you can check here. So like when I click this home, so like when I click this home, so the URL is slash. It's the base URL. So in the base URL, then we are rendering our home component. And when I click this about navigation, so when I click on this about navigation, the URL is about, and we are checking here like if the URL is about, Then we are loading this about component. So about component, what we are writing here inside about component. So we are just putting the about page and we are just putting this lorem if some content. So about page and then we are displaying this lorem if text for this. And when I click this for contact page, so the URL is contact and we are displaying a contact component here. Contact component. And third thing, like when I click this 404, like 404, first we see inside the, so like this is the fourth navigation. So when I click on this 404, so the URL is 404, and inside our React we are not mentioning that the URL will be 404. Then we need to put this not found or anything. So this 404 URL are not exist in our application. That's why we are putting this. If you click on this navigation inside this 404, so the page not found here because there are no any routes are defined for the 404. So that's why we are displaying this 404 component here. So we can implement 404 as well here. So accordingly, like when I click this contact, so contact will be loaded. When I click this about, so about page will be loaded. When I click the home, so home page will be loaded. And when I click this up any of the button and the URL it doesn't exist in our application, so we need to put this 404 page. So we are implementing this. So actually, I try to explain my best. So please like and subscribe my channel. And if there are any issue you are facing, so you can comment me. I will try to solve your issue. And I will also push this code to GitHub library and put link inside the description box. So you can take a pull from this description box and you can install and you can check this code inside your site. So thank you for watching and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.